So, Ankel,
Yeah.
our journey to Josie is slowly coming to an end.
Yeah.
You're gonna go back to Durban, drive another 5 hours.
Yo,
Ooh!
I will never come back again ngemoto la.
No. Please come back. Please come back. How did you find Josie in the first place?
It was nice. It was nice. It was nice. It was nice. I found it long time ago when I was still ufuna ngikhuluma isiZulu lo camera yambona.
Khuluma izulu.
Yeah. No, akakuningi kakhulu. Ngisafika kancane la eGoli, but it's nice. It's nice.
What about Film Africa? Did they treat you well?
Fethu bangiphathe grand ngadla into engingayazi emnandi. It was nice. Yo, it was very nice. Hey, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to work with them. I'm very happy.
Well, I'm very happy to meet Ankel. We
Yeah.
had actually a brilliant day. We had
Yeah.
lots of fun. So now he's going back home. We wish him and his partner. Sorry.
His partner Trivum.
I cannot find. I can't remember.
Trivum.
It's Trivum.
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 Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
His partner. We wish both of them safe journey.
Yeah.
Drive safe,
Yeah.
and we hope to see you in
Soon.
Durban
Yeah.
very soon.
Yeah.
Look for more pictures on his
More videos,
page
share
for more
videos.
videos. Don't forget
Yeah.
to share
Yeah.
and just enjoy yourself. Have a great day.
Ngiyabonga
See you
kakhulu.
soon.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. See you soon.
Ah.
Thank you siyabonga. Film Africa TV siyabangena isukile. Share ama video ube happy no Ankel ne Film Africa TV. Thank you siyabonga. I'm off. I'm out. Ngekhaya manje bangilindile. Shwe. Mfuleni ilike le. Hayi, ngiyakutshela. Ngicela nokubona ofisho isitabani. Ungabona indlela obhukuda ngayo, ubhukuda ngathi ufuna ukukhala. Yeah.